In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Wise account. If you've forgotten your Wise password and can't sign in, don't worry. The recovery process is fairly simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can reset access to your account without confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Wise website. Make sure you're on the real Wise page before entering any information, especially when dealing with account recovery. It's always a good habit to double check the website address so you know you're in the right place. Once you are on the Wise homepage, look for the Log In button and click it. This will take you to the sign in page where Wise asks for your account details. On the login screen, enter your email address in the email field. Use the email linked to your Wise account, since that's the address Wise will use to identify your profile and send recovery instructions if needed. Take a moment to make sure the email is typed correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the recovery process from working properly. After entering your email address, look for the option that says Trouble Logging In and click on it. This section is designed to help if you can't access your account normally, whether that's because you forgot your password or are having another sign-in issue. Next, choose the option that says I've forgotten my password. This tells Wise that you need to start the password recovery process specifically, rather than troubleshoot another login problem. After that, click Reset Password. Once you do this, Wise will begin the reset process and typically send further instructions to your email address. From there, you'll want to check your inbox carefully. If the email doesn't appear right away, give it a minute or two and also check your spam or junk folder, just in case it was filtered there. When you receive the password reset email from Wise, follow the instructions provided to create a new password. Choose something secure but memorable, ideally a password you haven't used before. A strong password usually includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And that's it. That's how to recover your Wise account if you've forgotten your password. As a final tip, once you regain access, consider saving your password in a trusted password manager so future logins are easier and more secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.